How to create Grok AI account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that, launch the Play Store just to make sure you have an updated version of Grok AI application. So as you can see, I've already installed the application. So all you need to do is tap on open. It will lead us to the home page. So the home page looks something like this. So you have the option to log in or create your account by using continuing with X, by continuing with Google, or you can continue with email. So I'm going to select on continue with Google over here, and as I do that, I'll be able to select the account that I would want to associate with Grok AI for this one. So you just have to make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and as you do that, you'll be able to select the account. As you select the account, just wait for a while and it will make us inside the Grok AI application, and that's how you can create a Grok AI account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.